Hello everyone, this is Jen from Datong. In this video, I will introduce
Datong HW13709XSTL MT transmission. Datong Gear Co. Limited was founded in 1958, mainly engaged in commercial vehicle transmission, engine gear OEM production, and construction machinery gear OEM production. The history covers an area of more than 1,000 acres.
Datong HW13709XSTL MT transmission is
suitable for light and medium-duty vehicles with a power range of 240 to 320 horsepower.
The gearbox adopts twin countershaft
and planetary mechanism, which has high strength and stronger bearing capacity.
The main group adopts full helical gear design.
The noise reaches the international or advanced level. The combination of forced lubrication and sparse lubrication has good lubrication effect. Rear power takeoff, one-axis power takeoff, and hydraulic retarder can be installed.
Datong HW13709XSTL MT transmission is composed of
a two-stage structure of the main box and the auxiliary box. The main box has 4 forward gears and the auxiliary box has 2 high and low gears. The maximum input torque is 1350 Nm with 2400 RPM maximum input speed. The transmission ratio is between 1 to 13.12.
The total length of Datong
HW13709XSTL MT transmission is 869 mm. The lubricating oil volume is 9.5 liter.
All of Datong transmission offering
both cast iron casing, aluminum case. The total weight of the cast iron case is 327 kg and the aluminum case is 236 kg.
We also provide optional items including
gear shift lever, PTO, low power PTO, and retarder.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact Datong at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.datong.com.